So we're going camping. Almost forgot the sauce. Alright, so we're gonna attempt some fly fishing at this spot. I'm not sure if it's gonna be very good, but we're right by a highway, but it's really pretty over there, so we're just gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, so here's the thing. I've actually never fly fished before. This will be my first time. Alright, so I'm gonna load up some Kodak Gold into this bad boy. Haven't shot this film stock for a super long time. I forgot how fire it is, and I saw a video and I was like, bro, I need to shoot that right now. So I'm gonna grab some pictures and then we're gonna get to casting. I'm gonna rate this bad boy at about 100 ISO, get a little overexposure. Okay, so this spot was a total bust, obviously, right by the highway right here. And then over there, just some tourists, and it's too windy anyways, and these guys are doing machinery right here, and I'm like, bro, I'm trying to catch a fish. It's creeping in my head, I've been feeling alright. Big paper kites guy. Ice chests suck. Bro, this spot is literally insane. What in the world? So we came up this way on the way here, and I did not see this at all. And then we're coming down here, and I'm like, bro, what? Like, look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. So freaking sick. Camp for the night. Take that back. So what we're actually gonna do is I'm gonna cook some steak right here. This is like my first time rooftop tent camping in bear country, and I don't know, my nerves got me a little high right now, but I saw a group down there and then they left and then they said, yeah, we saw 2 black bear coming in. I didn't see any bear, and honestly black bear don't really bother me that much. I'm really just concerned about grizzly bears, but I kind of feel good about this spot. It has a really pretty view, as you can see. So I'm gonna get to cooking some steak, and we'll see how we feel, if we want to stay here, if we want to sleep somewhere else that's not where we cooked. Yeah, we're just gonna vibe it out, so let's get to work. As you can see, I just bought this. My other table literally took a poop because we were using it too much. So basically the table broke because we were treating it as a table. Instructions. This is probably one of the worst dinners I've ever made. So I go to the grocery this morning and they only have these giant steaks, which are really hard to cook through. Second of all, I pull out my griddle 5 minutes ago and it's all rusted on the top, so I can't use that. Wow. Dude, for now being a clear day, it is so beautiful out right now. So I don't know where we left off, but after I went fly fishing, we went exploring a little bit. Went fly fishing again, still was bad, but I didn't even see any fish, so I don't know. And I pulled up to one place and a guy caught a fish within 5 seconds of putting his fly in the water, and I was like, bruh. So I left that place. Didn't want to get shown up. I should have asked him for help. But yeah, I feel good about this spot. It's super peaceful if you just listen right now.